Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, November 23rd, uh, 5:20 my time, 7:20 Eastern time, and I don't even know where to start, to be honest. Everything's looking green here. It's been a great day. It's been a great week. It's been a great couple of days. Um, if you're on a Ripple long here, congratulations. If you're on a VECHAIN long here, congratulations. If you're on a CHAINLINK long, congratulations. It's been a great week for the crypto market. And man, Ripple is just something else right now. I'm hoping that everybody got on this long awaited bullish pump that Ripple has been forecasting. It's been foreshadowing. It's been telling us that, hey guys, I'm about to go up. If you want to hop on this train, then all aboard. Um, if you're watching the videos we had last week, we've been talking about a XRP pump coming up, and it did happen. We did enter around the. It was pretty simple. I mean, but we we were talking about it for the longest time. On the daily, we were playing around on the 100 and 200 EMAs, and I know I like to talk this a lot, and I like to talk about it a lot. Is the fact that the 200 and 100 EMA, if we are reacting to those and we're finding support or those, expect the pump to happen. It's given at this time. It's uh, it's something that we can take for certain, obviously with the proper stop losses and all that. But even if we're looking at the volume for the past, for the past 2 weeks, we've been seeing that the we did break above the 200 EMA. We sliced through it, and then we went up, and then we found support, and then we just rode out. Now, the only thing that prevented us from actually entering this long at these times here was because we expected to see some sort of resistance at the 31 cent. I didn't want to go in yet, but as soon as we saw a break above the 30 cent, we entered, and boy, oh boy, we are around what we said. We're almost at 55% profit. And I don't think I'm going to exit this trade anytime soon. Obviously, something major happens, but I think it's going to keep going up at the moment. It's extremely bullish. Bitcoin reached all time highs, and now the altcoin market is piggybacking off of that. So, volume picked up crazy here. We saw that we broke above the 100 200 EMA. We found support. We touched it one more time, and we just waited. We were just patient. Um, do we think that this is gonna go down anytime soon? Maybe. It might have some sort of sideways um, uh, consolidation, but um, I'm just writing this out, and this is for the long term for me. So I think XRP is gonna do pretty well for the next year to come, and it's a good it's good to hold couple XRPs here and there. So that's for Ripple now. It's extremely bullish. Let's see what's gonna happen within the next 2 days here. Even if we're gonna get technical about it, go to the 100 to the 1 hour. We definitely formed some sort of flag here. So sometime soon here, I would say within, is it 23rd today? Yeah, so somewhere within the halfway through the day, end of the day here, we're gonna see a major reaction come in for Ripple to continue going up, hopefully. That's for Ripple. Same thing for VeChain, I would say. We talked about the same thing last week. Same signs, same everything. Um, uh, I believe that I was looking at the 4 hour for the most part. Yeah, we saw the 4 hour. We went above the 100 200 EMA, broke through it, came down to retest it, and it's just going up. So it's almost 35, 20 to 35% profit if you actually just hopped on as soon as it hit that 100 and 200 EMA. Of course, I mean, coupled with increase in volumes, coupled with MACD and RSI indications here, telling us that we're having higher lows and higher highs. While we're going down, we're having higher lows and higher highs. The MACD was sticking up here. It only made sense for this to blow up. Same thing. Overall, the altcoin market is pretty bullish right now. So, you have higher chances of calling a good uptrend. But timing it is where your skill set comes into play. So, um, 100 and 200 EMA for me have been really good in terms of calling a breakout um, on time. So VeChain, same thing, broke above, went down. 100 200 EMA became more of a support and shot right up. I think this is going to continue, but obviously, like we said, as soon as we bounce above the 100 200 EMA, if you watch the videos we have before, we create a gap, and now the 100 and 200 EMA have to kind of follow suit as the price action goes up. And Link, Link, I love Link. Same thing, same thing. Past week or so, we've been saying it broke above this resistance right now, $13. It's probably gonna come down, retest it. We expected to see a lot of resistance on this level right here. We expected to see a lot of resistance, and that's fine. That's typical. The market is extremely bullish now. Pick your coins. Pick what makes sense for you, because we're gonna have a good bullish year ahead of us. It's a fact. It's just a matter of who gets on this train and who stays behind. We are going to see more bullishness. A lot more coins are going to explode. Um, Link, same thing. We're gonna have this. We will see some sort of resistance for the next couple of days here. That's pretty expected. But if you entered, just like I said, man, it's all about the 100 200 EMA. If you enter, you see that, and you look at the on the daily. This is pretty clear that there's a reversal. If we're saying here that MACD was sticking up, if you're looking right here, MACD was sticking up. We're making higher highs on the RSI. Volume was picking up a bit. We're seeing those nice candles. Um, uh, I probably would have entered somewhere here at the 12 and put my stop loss at the somewhere below this region and just wrote it out. Even right now, I wouldn't even sell it. Even if there's resistance, I wouldn't even sell it. But it's a bullish market, guys. Keep that in mind. So it's probably not too late to hop on a Link um, uh, trade here, a swing trade, or even like a long term trade. If it's a long term, it doesn't even matter right now. If you just believe in the project, then go ahead. But if you'd like to make some like a swing trade or something like that, then maybe wait until you see a breakout above this level. And right now, our size in the oversold region, MACD's kind of taken down. We see a nice, that's not nice. We see this bullish candle. He just kind of went almost 6% back into this candle. I still think it's bullish, but if you don't want to risk too much, maybe wait for a bit until you see a clear breakout this week, because this is gonna be volatile. So if you're gonna place your stop losses and all that, you're probably gonna get stopped out. This is gonna get pretty volatile enough to get called out on a stop loss, on a tight stop loss. So this is kind of a high risk play here, unless you entered. all the way at the bottom here. But anyways, um, this is it for today. If uh, if you like this, if you benefit from this content, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Protect your money, guys. Make sure you're putting your proper stop losses. Cryptocurrency world is highly volatile, and only the smart ones make the money and protect their capital. So I hope you're doing that. I hope you're learning more and more every day, and follow our Discord in the links, description, and like the video, share it, subscribe. See you tomorrow.